According to the Detroit News and Free Press, Metro Detroit housing prices this summer have continued their gradual recovery, rising 10.3% in June from a year earlier, according to the latest Standard & Poor's Case-Shiller Home Price Index released nationwide. Prices in the metro area, defined by the index as Wayne, Oakland, Macomb, Livingston, St. Clair, and Lapeer counties, are back to early 2008 levels, and that is great news for the Detroit housing market. Home prices nationwide are still rising, but at slower rates than last year. This could indicate a return to a more normal housing market, something Detroit homeowners were waiting for. Home prices in Metro Detroit bottomed out in spring 2011, and local real estate experts have attributed much of the price increases since then to low mortgage rates and a shortage of desirable homes on the market. It seems as if people are heading back to home ownerships, a stock in the American dream. The inventory of for-sale homes remains tight, although higher prices have recently begun luring more would-be sellers to put their house on the market. When we look at Detroit neighborhoods such as Rosedale Park, Grandmount, Palmer Park, Chandler Park, or Indian Village, we get to see beautiful homes still exist in spite of the negatives the world press is saying about this bounce-back city. People are taking the new pride of ownership quite seriously. The housing market is as great for buyers as much as it has become a lucrative financial source for sellers. Quoting the Free Press News, "We've begun to see that a lot of sellers were waiting for the market to catch up so they could get some of their equity back. As long as you properly price your home, you're going to have a number of buyers who are going to be very interested in it." Such statement has invigorated investors to the Detroit housing market. Detroit has rapidly become one of the nation's most desirable mediums for real estate investors, now attracting thousands worldwide. All Seasons Realty in Farmington Hills has reported dozens of investors from as far as Japan, the Philippines, Germany, and England calling for listings of available houses. Wherever you are on the globe, it would do you good to remember that Detroit, the city that puts the nation on wheels, is ready to regain its former glory and is using its thousands of available houses as a medium of luring world neighbors, retaining its positioning as the most culturally diverse city in America. Detroit living is good to great. A new phenomena in the Detroit housing market is the purchasing of blocks of houses as opposed to individual homes. An investor will actually purchase a whole block of 10 to 20 houses at wholesale prices and recondition them for rental or resale, thus creating an entirely new neighborhood. And this is happening all over the city. All Seasons Realty is presently talking with an investor in Milan who is seeking to purchase 40 homes, all in one area to create its own community. Detroit is attracting new neighbors every day. Thousands of Detroiters who left the then dying city 10 years ago are now returning to claim their rightful place in the rebirthing of their beloved city, the place that gave the world Motown, Michael Jackson, The Temptations, Queen of Soul Aretha Franklin, and Smokey Robinson. Detroiters will always remember the Brown Bomber Joe Louis, Hitman Tommy Hearns, Stroh's Beer, the Eastern Market, and Access, the multicultural Jewish center. These are just some of the legacy the people of Detroit cannot forget. And now that it is back on its way to glory, everyone wants to be a part of it. And the booming real estate market is the conduit. As you begin to seriously look at these housing opportunities, remember to first give me a call at 313-397-4680. Or just call information for All Seasons Realty in Farmington Hills in Michigan, US of A.